another job. Good thing this thing's on another day of work. Turn on the water real quick. That's good. To make sure the thing's working over here. Oh, okay. We have to check both. Good. Look at this. Check these right here. Need one of these to clean out my thing. I got to check the security cameras. Monitor, these guys aren't in here. Ah! Ah! Oh, this band. That's so ugly. It's me and my manager. I know. There's the door.
Don't mess it up where it's like again.
Oh, something just something. It's this side. Oh, he cheated on Jesus. The heck? He slept on top of her? Oh. Look at that.
Why is he scratching his ear?
Just slap him.
This is so ugly.
I need to call my assistant. Oh, Johnny! Stamp! Nice punch! It's punch, stamp. Assistant!
Did he just throw up? She went.
Assistant! I think he threw up. What's Christopher?
Go check the freezer with me because I'm scared. Both of the freezers.
Okay, Christopher.
Let's go. First one.
No, let's go in there, I guess. Wait, what?
Oh.
It's so cold.
That's this one. The guys just Christaphor here, and yeah, let's open this door.
My manager. Sweet Odin guy.
Finally done.
I know this, I trained on this, everything on this work. So done. I mopped the floor like 10 million times. Put all these things here. Bake more cookies.
I cleaned it and looked in here. I checked the security camera. I got my slime. I see the gymnastics. I practiced gymnastics.
Gymnastics on here.
I go in the men's bathroom and I go to the pool. "5 minutes. I had to turn off the open sign. See, it's 5 minutes until then. They've been here for 8 hours.
I dust the files. And I try to organize these drinks. Green is the best. No, red is the best. Christopher hates yellow.
Love red.
I guess it's time for me to leave. I need to go to hospital. Whoa, the lights turned up. Oh, party!